Hello guys, welcome to AK Mart. Today we have bought a new product for you. Universal side wings for bike, scooty, and even you can install it in your car. Flexible ABS plastic material. You have double tape to install it, easily install it. You can do it yourself also. Very aerodynamic design and good looking design. Enhance your bike look. Now I'll attach the video also that how it will look on your bike and how to attach it. Some vibes are given with the product also to install it properly.